Hello drivers, Leslie here, coming at you with a new Motivational Monday. As stated last week, I am actually at a Flying J right now, and we will go over some different foods of eat this versus that, or some different options that are healthy wherever you guys may be, and most places have a Flying J. My biggest disclaimer I will say is I actually don't believe that there is any really bad food out there as long as we're eating in moderation. The part that we get in trouble is the overconsumption of it and the not stopping, the portion control. Whether that be you want to have a little small dessert every day, or you want to have it on Sunday where you just kind of relax and you don't go balls to the walls, but you go, I'm going to have a cheeseburger for lunch, I'm going to have pancakes, but I still stay in that moderation. Again, I don't think there's any food out there really that is horrible for you in moderation. And that's where myself and our industry just struggles at. And so we're going to head inside and see some good options and also some options that might not be amazing options, but within moderation, they're good options. The first thing I found were these tuna packets. They're easy to be kept in your truck. They don't expire. Great source of protein. The next thing I found were these Ritz crackers with protein, great source of a carb, protein, and a fat right there. These canned vegetables are great to store in your truck if you get into a bind. These fruits aren't the best with the syrup. Fresh fruit is always better. Jerky is such a great option for protein. It's lower in fat. It does have a higher amount of sodium, but as long as you're drinking water to flush it out, you're A-okay. Popcorn is another great option for a carb and a fat. I'd maybe put a protein shake in it to get those three together. Next up are these pretzels. They are carbs, lower in fat than pretzels. I would pair some nuts with them to get those carbs, proteins, and a fat. Talking about nuts, here we are. Nuts are great brain food. They reduce inflammation, a great option for any snack or bedtime snack. The next thing I found are these protein bars. Whenever we're traveling, I'm always grabbing one. It just feels like a little bit more of a dessert and a treat than anything else. Protein shakes are a great way to get protein into your diet. This last one in particular has 42 grams of protein, just to help with that muscle density. The next thing I found was deli meat. Deli meat is processed. It's not the best source of protein, but it is an easy source of protein. Next up is Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is way better than regular yogurt. Regular yogurt really just has carbs and sugars. Greek yogurt will give you that protein. The next thing I found were these sandwiches if you're in a bind for lunch or dinner. The only thing I really found that might be questionable is the amount of fat in them. Just take a slice of cheese off and you're A-okay. Next up, we have hard-boiled eggs. Those are a great option for breakfast to keep in your fridge or even a snack on the go. Fresh fruit is a great option for breakfast to pair with hard-boiled eggs or any snack during the day. It's all natural sugars. Next up, I found these Lunchables, or as some people would call them, charcuterie boards. It's me, I'm the problem. I call them charcuterie boards. Great option for a carb, protein, and a fat. Next up, as the winter is coming, chili is a great option for dinner or lunch. Next up, I'm taking a break off of food. Water is so important to keep us hydrated, to boost our skin, and to help prevent kidney stones. Last, but especially not least, are all of the goodies that we like that we should probably not overindulge in. I always think anytime that we can have these as a little sweet treat, it's better. I've actually noticed the less I have these, the less I crave them, but also when I do have them, I appreciate them more. So have them every once in a while, and let's try to stay healthy as much as possible. All right, folks, those are my top healthy options from a Flying J. Tune in next week for our Motivational Monday to go over our new November challenge. Thanks and drive safe. God bless.